Hello everyone, welcome to AkshatLive. Myself Akshat, and today in my talk show we will discuss about the web hosting providers for WordPress. The best web hosting providers for the best web hosting in India are equally as vast globally as they are local. They are highly reliable with the support that is honest and accountable. Above all, they provide amazing value for money. But what does web hosting means exactly in layman's language? Best web hosting refers to a service that allows various organizations and individuals to post a website or web page onto the internet. A web host or a web hosting service provider is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for a website to be accessible on the World Wide Web. There are special computers on which websites are hosted or stored. They are called servers. Whenever an internet user is interested in viewing your website, all they need to do is type your website address or domain onto their browser and wait for the search results. Your web page is then conveyed to them through the browser as soon as their computer connects with your server. Best web hosting providers have made it necessary that you own your domain in order to host with them. If you do not have a domain, the hosting companies will help you in purchasing one. So, the table of content which I'm just taking care of, or I'm just going through about, is the highlights of web hosting, different type of the web hosting in India, shared hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, cloud hosting, grid hosting, list of few best web hosting providers in India: Bluehost, SiteGuard, HostGator, Godaddy, Hostinger, DreamHost, Green Geeks, and at the last I will give you the conclusion about all that. So the highlights of web hosting. Our first topic is here are a few highlights that you should be expecting from your hosting provider. First is email accounts. As mentioned prior, the best web hosting providers or the best web hosting in India requires users to have their domain name. Your domain name, for example, designtech9studio.in, and email account features provided by your hosting company help in making email account of your domain, for example, your name at the rate yourwebsite.com. Then the FTP access. The FTP access allows you to upload files from your local computer onto the web server. You can transfer the files easily from your computer to the web server through FTP. If you created a website using HTML files, this will allow your website to be accessed through the internet. So, WordPress support. WordPress is an online website creating tool. I have told you already. It is a powerful blogging and website content management system which is convenient for the creation and management of website. Best web hosting providers will tell you right way if their plans are WordPress viable or not. The requirements for hosting your WordPress website: best web hosting in India include PHP version 7.4 or greater and MySQL version 5.6 or greater. Different type of the web hosting in India. Here is a list of some of the most popular options available for the best web hosting in India. Number one is shared hosting. In this type of hosting, one's website is placed on the same server as many other websites. This means that all the domains share a common pool of server resources like RAM and CPU. The features available with the type of services may be quite basic and not flexible in terms of software and updates. Resales often sell shared web hosting, and on the other hand, web companies often have reseller account to provide hosting for their clients. So the second option is VPS hosting, known as Virtual Private Server or VPS in short. It divides the server resources into virtual servers where resources can be allocated in a way that does not directly reflect the underlying hardware. VPS often allocates resources based on the relationship of one server to other VPS. However, virtualization may be done for a number of reasons, including the ability to move a VPS container between servers. The users have root access to their own virtual space and a reserved amount of resources and memory. It is among one of the best web hosting in India. The VPS is much more. People are interested on VPS more. The third one is the dedicated hosting. In this type of hosting, the users get their own web server. They gain full control over it. User has root access for Linux, administrator access for Windows. However, the user does not own the server in most of the cases. One type of dedicated hosting service is self-managed or unmanaged. This is usually least expensive for dedicated plans. It is for this reason it is categorized among the finest service of best hosting in India. The users have full administrative access to the server and they are themselves responsible for the security and maintenance of their own dedicated server. So the fourth option is cloud hosting. This is a new type of hosting platform that allows customers reliable hosting based on clustered, load balanced server and utility billing. A cloud hosted website is more reliable than the alternative since other computers in the cloud can compensate when a single piece of hardware goes down. Because of its reliability, it is categorized among the finest service of being hosted in India. The local power disruption or even natural disasters are less problematic for cloud hosted sites, as this type of hosting is decentralized. It also allows the best web hosting providers to charge users only for resources consumed by them rather than a flat fee for the amount they expect the user will use, or a fixed cost as upfront hardware investment. The fifth one is grid hosting. This form of hosting is when a server cluster acts like a grid and is composed of multiple nodes. Next topic in this podcast is list of few best web hosting providers in India. And here we goes. Number one is Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the best web hosting provider in India. Most of the plans of Bluehost include unlimited disk storage, domain hosting, email address, bandwidth, etc. The enhanced cPanel is really easy from the usage point of view and offers fast access. The security features on Bluehost are simply flat out excellent. It is committed up to 99.99% uptime. The four pricing plans of Bluehost shared hosting are as follows. Number one is basic plan. It comes with an introductory price of 199 per month. You can create one website within this plan, and it also comes with 50 GB SSD storage space, unmetered bandwidth, a domain name, and a free SSL certificate. Plus plan, it has only 299 per month as an introductory price. The availment of this plan allows for the creation of an unlimited number of websites, offer unlimited SSD storage space, unmetered bandwidth, and free SSL certificate. Choice Plus plan, it comes with an introductory price of 299 per month, in which we get unlimited websites, unlimited SSD storage space, unmetered bandwidth, free domain privacy, free daily website backup, and free SSL certificate with this plan. And the fourth one is Pro plan. It is the most expensive plan, which has an introductory price of rupees 859 per month. This plan comes with unlimited website, unlimited SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, free domain privacy, free daily website backup, dedicated IP, and free SSL. So the second option is SiteGround. It is a great hosting solution for all WordPress project. The special tools developed in house by them for WordPress users help them in providing stable, secure, and super fast hosting service. One of the best web hosting providers. It is known for its spectacular customer support and step-by-step tutorial. These best web hosting providers combine high quality performance with an intuitive menu, ensuring a solid experience of their clients. They are pioneers in securing account isolation and among the first to use Linux containers. The SiteGround is among one of the best web hosting in India that guarantees 99.9% uptime. However, we are referring to a 99.9% uptime average annually, not monthly. Apart from their paid plans, they give free hosting for 1 month when their annual uptime falls anywhere between 99 to 99.9%, and if it falls even lower than that, they will give 1 month for every percentage. So third one is HostGator. HostGator is a fast and robust platform that satisfies all the need of the best web hosting providers in India and domain name management. Its interface cPanel being easy to use makes it really easy to launch a website almost within 5 minutes. Features of HostGator like easy use, great Gator site builder, great speed, budget-friendly pricing, easy migration, a wide range of services, and value for money make it one of the best web hosting in India. HostGator also guarantees 24 into 7 and 365 days support. Their support staff is available 24/7, 365 to assist their client via telephone, live chat, or email with any hosting related issues. 45 days guarantee. This web hosting in India also provides a 45 days trial plan for their service. If you are not completely satisfied, you can cancel within 45 days and ask for a complete refund. 99.9% uptime. The availability of clients' website is their top priority. They stand by that fact and provide uptime guarantee. The fourth one is Godaddy, which is most popular hosting provider in India. GoDaddy is among the best web hosting provider in India and the world's largest service platform for entrepreneurs around the globe. It helps millions of customers and entrepreneurs worldwide by providing them all the guidance and tools they need to grow online. GoDaddy shared hosting has an uptime of 99.97% and the page speed is around 554 ms. It is an excellent solution for building custom websites as it makes use of a simple drag and drop website builder designed for beginners. It also features developers friendly tools like MySQL, cPanel, Cloud Linux, Python, multiple version of PHP, etc. GoDaddy provides security monitoring and DDoS protection and also offers 24 into 7 support. The fifth one is Hostinger. The Hostinger was created in 2004, and since then it has been an epic ride. The idea of Hostinger is to let people create website for free with unlimited PHP, MySQL, cPanel, and no ads policy. They have been successfully in creating complete freedom online and the best web hosting providers. They provide service to over 29 million users in 178 countries with a premium web hosting platform. Their custom built control panel is a joy to work with and comes with its own website builder. They recommend using WordPress for building your site. They also have their own builder on offer in addition to usual CMS. It is indeed one of the best web hosting provider in India. The sixth one is DreamHost. It is one of the oldest and best web hosting provider in India, which hosts over 1.5 million websites, blogs, and applications in more than 100 countries. They support a powerful open source content management system for the website WordPress. WordPress is made easy to use with the help of better codes, community contributions, and 24 into 7 expert level support. It has an average uptime of 99.94% and a load time of 648 ms. Their basic plan includes the following: a free domain, one website, unlimited bandwidth, and 50 GB SSD storage. The clients are offered the faculty of usage of DreamHost drag and drop builder, and they can add an email for a monthly fee of $1.67 per month. It also offers strong security features, Let's encrypted SSL, a variety of domain management tools, and an unlimited data transfer per month. Because of the above mentioned features that it offers, it is classified as one of the best web hosting providers in India. The seventh one is Green Geeks. This web hosting provider hosting platform offers shared reseller VPS and WordPress hosting that is designed for the fastest, most secure, and scalable hosting available with the data center located in Chicago, Phoenix, Toronto, Montreal, and Amsterdam. They provide 24/7 365 expert support, or 99.9% uptime guarantee, and a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. Green Geeks offer paid services at an affordable rate of $2.95 per month with 99.9% uptime and load speed of 445 ms. All plans come with a free domain for 1 year, cPanel access, free wildcard access, uh, powered catcher, unlimited SSD storage, and an unlimited data transfer with SSL certificate. If your website grows bigger, there is always an option available for you to upgrade to their more flexible VPS hosting. So at the last, the conclusion is: if you are doing a business that works online, then it is mandatory for you to have an expert web hosting. A right web hosting service can play a huge role in the growth of the company and help your business in getting incredible results. A professional web hosting providers with a number of benefits regarding ranging from technical support to web security that lacks low level web hosting service. Beyond the main benefits of the web hosting providers in India to help you get your website live on the internet, web hosting also carries a lot of other benefits, including improvement in site performance and website security, offering outstanding technical support for your website, etc. Without a web host, there will be no way to your visitors to actually access your website. The type of best web hosting providers you choose, you should be based on what's best your current website and should be capable of catering to its needs. It is generally advisable to switch package or upgrade your hosting plan to cater to the changes in your website's needs from time to time. These are the best web hosting providers. For any help related to these best web hosting providers setup and process, you can mail or comment below or even contact on our social media platforms. Thank you so much.